Raptor Coaster. This is the big and beautiful roller coaster at the Houston Rodeo that seems to be the best at the rodeo. But is it? And just how good is this coaster? And how does it compare to its Texas brother in Runaway Mountain? Find out in this review. The Houston Rodeo occurs each year at NRG Stadium, so the roller coasters are in the shadow of the Texans football stadium, and more notably, the Astrodome. The rodeo normally occurs for 3 weeks, with the last week being spring break. This is right after the San Antonio Rodeo, as the SPURS have their rodeo road trip in February around the All-Star Game. With a robust concert lineup, many different rodeo events, free exhibits, a solid collection of food stands, and the only opportunity for Houstonians to ride this many roller coasters in one place, the rodeo offers a fun and unique experience that most Houstonians will seek out. But the first thing to mention about the Houston Rodeo is the price, because it gets expensive fast. Admission to the ground is $15, though third-party concert tickets can be cheaper. I paid $6 for a concert ticket on the day that I visited, and all concert tickets include ground access, so this could be a cheaper option for an unpopular weekday artist. Parking is another $25, though off-site lots look to be about $20 or maybe less. If you're just coming for the concert and to look around, these prices are actually reasonable. However, all rides require tickets, and there are no all-day wristbands. Large coasters are around 16 tickets, whereas Little Dipper is the cheapest at 10 tickets, or $5 per ride. This coaster model is nearly identical to a couple different types of coasters. STC's Hurricane models, like Hurricane at Western Playland in New Mexico, S&MC's Hurricane model, like Cliffhanger at Glenwood Caverns in Colorado, and Zamperla's Windstorms like Wild West Express at Adventure Park USA in Maryland, plus Six Flags Over Texas's Runaway Mountain, which I have ridden many times. This layout offers a nice touch of drops, airtime, laterals, and forces, while looking maybe even slightly better than it is. With Runaway Mountain being indoors, it was nice to finally see this coaster out in the open, as it is really beautiful to watch. Compared to Runaway Mountain, this coaster has looser restraints with just a buzz bar. This allowed me to feel the laterals and the turns, and to be thrown more to one side of the car. They were asking single riders to ride on the left side of the train because of this. However, the first half did not offer the nice airtime and power that Runaway Mountain has had recently, even with these minimalistic restraints. After leaving the station, you travel straight up the lift hill. This is followed by a curving drop that is decent but not great. There may be some variability here, as this drop is hit or miss on Runaway Mountain, but on my rides in the front and back, it was a nice drop, but nothing special like the back row on Galaxy Coaster. After this drop, there's an airtime hill high up in the air. Again, this offered some forces, but nothing too special. Runaway Mountain's airtime hill has been hitting recently, though it has been neutral or okay in the past. This is a nice element, but nothing extra special. Then you go around a turn, getting decent and enjoyable laterals, before going down a drop that you really don't feel too much, especially compared to the previous two. Next, you have the signature fourth drop. It twists you down in a crazy way. On Runaway Mountain, in the dark, this drop is extra special. Here, it is really wild and will throw you about because of the restraints, but might not be that extra special to a seasoned rider. Someone who hasn't experienced a large amount of drops, though, could get something a bit extra special here, as it tries to really pack a punch. The rest of the coaster goes through various helixes. On some coasters, these could be boring elements, but you should have enough speed to get decent laterals to make these rather enjoyable. though it does seem like some of your speed is drained over the course of this coaster, so I can't help but think these final turns could be taken a bit faster, which would likely make them even better. Overall, how good is Raptor Coaster? This coaster has a solid design and enjoyable parts. The coaster, and the Houston Rodeo in general, seems to prefer extra braking on their coasters to reduce wear and tear, and this keeps Raptor Coaster from truly maximizing its layout. I rank it a few spots below Runaway Mountain, as Runaway Mountain has been running terrific as of late, with solid airtime in the first half and a strong sense of speed on the helixes in the second half. Plus, the first few experiences on the fourth drop in the dock are a special coaster moment. I rank Raptor Coaster right above Fort Yesterland at Yesterland Falls, which is a rough kiddie coaster with character that I like much more than your average coaster enthusiast. I rank it right below Dreamworld's Black Hole Coaster, which is an indoor coaster with a far inferior layout to Runaway Mountain, but has a very enjoyable sideways shaking gimmick that makes it a very enjoyable family coaster. In a larger context, this is right above family coasters in my rankings, and right before coasters start getting into the solid mid-size coaster tier. With the layout and restraints, I feel there is certainly a way Raptor Coaster could run much better, and maybe just different rides would have produced a higher level of enjoyment from me. Alas, with having to pay per ride, I just wasn't able to experience it again and again to truly know if this coaster can be more special than what I experienced. How was your experience on Raptor Coaster or similar coasters? Is it your favorite coaster at the Houston Rodeo? Let me know. And as always, Cap Coon Crap.